Hi everyone, I'm Heidi with Onigo Stamping. Welcome to my craft corner. Today I'm going to show you how to take one 6x6 piece of designer series paper and use it to create 4 different cards. Before I get started, if you don't already have a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator that you work with regularly, I would be happy to help you out. You can jump over to my website and find all of the product that I am using today and how to order it there. But I know sometimes it can get really overwhelming and confusing. So if you have questions, feel free to leave me a comment below or send me an email. I would be happy to help you however I can. All right, Oni go, let's get stamping. I'm going to create 4 cards using one piece of 6x6 designer series paper. I've chosen a piece from the Whale of a Time designer series paper pack, the Whale of a Time suite. And you'll notice that it does have a distinct up-down pattern. I just wanted to show you, you could use one that does or does not, obviously, but I wanted to show you how this works if you have one that does have a distinct up-down pattern. So, all of these dimensions and a cutting diagram can be found on my website, but I wanted to show you exactly how to cut it, walk you through it, because I know sometimes it can get a little bit confusing. So the first thing we're gonna do is, here it is up, down, and for my first cut, I actually want to turn it so that the up side is facing to the left. I'm going to put this in my paper trimmer and I'm going to cut it at 1 3/4. So I'm lining this up at 1 3/4 and I'm just going to take off that top. I'm going to set this other piece aside and then I'm going to cut this down to 5 1/2. Very easily, I'm just going to snip off this side. This piece we don't need, we're going to get rid of it. So I'm going to set this aside. This is for card number 1. Now, here is my paper. I've just cut off that top edge. Now we're going to cut off this portion right here. So I'm going to put it in my paper cutter so that the up side is facing up. And I'm going to cut it at first 1/2 inch. And actually, you know what? This is easier to cut if I measure it on this side. So I'm actually going to turn it so that my upside is facing down. And I'm going to cut off at 1/2 inch. And then I'm going to turn it all the way back over so the upside is up. And I'm going to cut this off at 1 1/2. And I'm going to set those aside because they're for card number 2. Now I want to cut off 3 strips from this bottom. Again, these are going to be 1/2 inch strips, so it's easier to measure them on the right side of my paper cutter. So I'm going to turn this so that the upside is to the left. And I'm going to cut off 3 1/2 inch strips. 1, 2, and 3. I'm going to set these aside because these are for card number 3. Now you'll see I have 1 piece left, and I'm going to cut this into 3 pieces. So with the upside facing up, I'm going to start by cutting off 1 inch, and then I'm going to cut at 2 inches, which should leave me about 1 inch left. And those 3 pieces I'm going to set aside for card number 4. Now I'm all done trimming, and we're going to go ahead and finish off the cards. For each of the cards, I'm using a Just Jade card base. So I'm just going to start by folding the first one in half and give it a nice crease with my bone folder. Then, so I have that first strip, and I'm doing all of the accent pieces with Pretty Peacock cardstock. So I'm going to glue this first piece to my piece of Pretty Peacock, and you could choose either side. I'm going to choose the seahorses though. On the other cards, we'll actually see both sides of the cardstock, or of the designer series paper. So I'm just going to quick glue that on. I'm going to quickly adhere that to the front of my card. And then I'm going to add a little bit of the Pool Party sheer ribbon. All right, so I have tied that piece of sheer pool party ribbon to the front, and now I'm gonna adhere my sentiment. I've stamped my sentiment from the Well Done stamp set on a piece of Whisper White cardstock punched with the Label Me Fancy punch. I'm gonna show you a little trick on how to mount this. So I've cut another piece with that same punch out of the Pretty Peacock cardstock, and I'm just gonna cut it in half. And if it's not perfectly straight, that's okay. And I'm just gonna add a little adhesive to the center here, and then glue this so it's just poking out on the ends. And then I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. Just like that, just to give it kind of a little bit of a mat. Now I'm gonna take some Stampin' Dimensionals, and my hand moved when I set that down. All right, I'm gonna take some Stampin' Dimensionals, and I'm just gonna adhere this to my card front. And there's my first card. Quick and easy. We're gonna do card number 2. So again, I have a Just Jade card base. Just like that. And then I'm gonna add a strip of the waves. So we're gonna see both sides of this really pretty designer series paper. Once again, I'm gonna add some ribbon to the front of this. And then I'm gonna add my greeting with some Stampin' Dimensionals again. And this piece I just cut with a stitched rectangle die. So quick and easy, just adding that right to the front of my card, and that is card number 2. All right, card number 3, gonna be much the same. So I have another piece of Pretty Peacock. This time I had those 3 strips. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna adhere these, and some of them are gonna be facing different directions. I'm just gonna put this one on top. You just kind of pick out what you want, and you get a little bit of each of the cardstock, of each of the designs. Three strips attached, and once again I'm going to grab a Just Jade card base, fold that in half, and I'm going to adhere this to the front of my card. Just leave this card. This card is going to go this way. And use some Stampin' Dimensionals to add my greeting. This is another greeting from the Well Done stamp set. And it says you're kind of a big deal. Just like the ocean, right? Or a whale. So put that on there. To add a little bling to this, I am going to grab some enamel dots. These are the 2020-2022 in color enamel dots. And I'm just going to use some of the Just Jade ones. To add a little bit of interest. So just like that. And that is card number 3, all finished. Moving on to card number 4, much the same thing again. So here, once again, I have 3 pieces. I'm gonna put my seahorses in the middle. If you're having trouble that your paper trimmer leaves some little edges, what you can do is just take your bone folder and just push those down. Sometimes with this really thin paper, it's going to leave a little bit more of an edge. So I'm just going to push those down, and then we'll adhere these on the sides. So you have the big one in the middle and then the 2 smaller pieces on the outside. And again, you can use both sides of the Designer Series paper, so you get to see both patterns. Just like the other 3 cards, this is going to go on a Just Jade card base. I'm going to tie some ribbon on this before I actually adhere it. I'm going to use the crinkled seam binding, the white crinkled seam binding ribbon. And I love this ribbon. It's really easy to tie. Watch, I won't be able to tie it now. That's usually the case. After I say something's really easy to tie, then it fights me. Slide that over just a little bit. And then I'm going to adhere it to my card front. The seam binding is so nice and thin that I can even just adhere it with regular adhesive here. I don't need to add, sometimes when you have some of the thicker ribbons and twines and things, you need to put it on with Stampin' Dimensionals. But the seam binding is thin enough that you can just use the liquid adhesive. So I'm just going to glue that to the front. And this time I've stamped my Thanks a Ton, another greeting from the Well Done stamp set. I've stamped it on a piece of Whisper White that I've cut with the tailored tag punch. So just like the last time, I have another one cut with the Pretty Peacock, and I'm just going to cut it in half, and then I'm going to adhere those 2 pieces. One to the top and one to the bottom. Now you could cut 2 of these and you could adhere it again on the sides, but I just kind of like that extra layer on the top and bottom. Just gives it a little something. Helps it pop out from the background. And then I'm going to add the Stampin' Dimensionals and adhere it to my card front. My Stampin' Dimensionals are almost gone, so I'm actually going to snip the sides and use the edges. Got to use the whole sheet of Stampin' Dimensionals. Peel off those backs, and then I'm just going to add this to my card front. And that's card number 4. So 4 quick and easy cards that all came from one piece of designer series paper, basically one sheet of designer series paper, 2 pieces of Just Jade, and 1 piece of Pretty Peacock. And then a half piece or less of the Whisper White. So just really quick and easy, 4 cards, 1 piece of 6x6 designer series paper. Thank you again for joining me today. I hope to see you again. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below or send me an email. You can also find all of the dimensions and a cutting diagram for today's cards over on my website, www.onigostamping.weebly.com. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.